Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to print Easyjet boarding pass. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Easyjet account, which of course I have done right here. How can you create an account on Easyjet? Simple. Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type easyjet.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Easyjet. In there, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the sign in button. Click on that. It's going to take you to the sign in page. Click on create account and follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Easyjet. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to print Easyjet boarding pass. Where can you find your boarding pass? Number one, you have to use the online check-in feature. Now check the top right corner of your screen, top left corner rather. You can see this flight info, holidays, cars and transfers, business, booking.com, and you have manage booking. So in manage booking, just click on check-in online. So we're here. View booking. So you can find your booking here and follow through the instructions to check in online. Now, after checking online, this is how you can now print your boarding pass ticket. All right, that's your boarding pass itself in Easyjet. Now, before you can print your Easyjet boarding pass, it says you will need to complete the online check-in process, which I put you through. All right, I say this can typically be done starting 30 days before your flight departure and up to 2 hours before the scheduled departure time. Now, here's how you can check in online. So, visit the Easyjet, and we did that. You can navigate to manage bookings or check-in section, enter your booking reference, or log in to your Easy account and follow the prompt to check in for your flight. So after doing that, here's how you can print. So once you've successfully checked in online, you have the option to print your boarding pass. Now, Easyjet offers two methods for printing your boarding pass: printing at home or using a mobile boarding pass. And here's how to print your boarding pass at home. So after completing online check-in, you'll be prompted to download and print your boarding pass. Okay, so once you're done completing your online check-in from here, from this My Bookings window, you're going to be prompted to download and print your boarding pass. So ensure you have access to a printer and a sheet of plain white paper. Then click on the provided link to download your boarding pass as a PDF file. Then open the downloaded file from your systems folder and select the print option from the menu. Choose the printer you wish to use and adjust any printing preferences such as paper size and quality. Then click on print to print your boarding pass. That's how to print your boarding pass using the website for Easyjet. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.